vlogging on the phone today because we can't bring our cameras in. I think Ope said we can bring our cameras in, but because we have like, I think we're under press, but I'm just gonna not chance it. Josh already left, so I gave him my camera to take back to the crib. I also took some fire ass photos on my camera and on my phone, so I can't wait to edit those and post those. And I'm dressed so appropriately. I was so nervous because I never know how I'm dressing the right way, or too dressed up or too dressed down, and I did not want to wear heels. And some of these ladies, they got heels. Some. Everybody else wore flats.
I'm thinking you were made for me. Isn't it my birthday?
Hi guys. I know, you guys inspired me to vlog again.
Hi Simone Fairies.
It's so funny.
Thanks for tuning into this vlog.
Can I call you guys that?
Simone Make sure. No, we gotta come up with something else.
Okay,
but Fairy is just like, she's like my little, like, you know, Barbie. All right, we'll come up with a name for you guys, but make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. Because baby girl is back and she better than
Like
ever.
you never left.
Yeah, I know that's right. Period.
Gotta say you're looking like a gift for me, wrapped up nice and neat, baby. Get in my way now, don't be shy. We'll be here dancing day and night. Get in my groove now, don't be shy. Cause I got this list of my favorite things. You could be the part where it all begins. You could be the first and the second and the third and the rest of it. You could be one of the things I love.
My phone was, ooh, this quality is trash. My phone was dying, so I didn't get to record too much at the end. Going to the second event now, have my pink outfit on, so I'll see you guys when I get there so I can charge my phone.
Hi. Jocelyn, it's about to rain. Let's go. Let's go. I know you felt that.
Diamond, it's not raining. Why does she want to leave? I just got here.
Put your jacket on.
Jacket on.
What are you giving barbecue sauce? Ah! Okay, that's fine. You're deserving though.
I know, but I wanted to ask somebody else. Today we're going to get some food for him because he's hungry. I already ate. I had a nice salad from Chopped. I had the Mexican salad from Chopped. It was really good. Mexican Caesar. You guys gotta try that. With falafel in it. It made my stomach hurt really bad. I really didn't want to have to poop in his house, but I had to. He said he was going to get food and he was taking forever. And I couldn't hold it anymore. So I had to poop with him in the house. First time for that. Can we go to Starbucks? It's right there.
You're just spoiled.
I'm not spoiled.
You are spoiled.
I would like, can I get strawberry acai or should I get?
Thanks for choosing your favorite Starbucks.
No.
It's Jess. Can we get a name to start your order today?
It's Amy.
Jamie?
Yes. What should I get?
Medium strawberry acai, no strawberries, light ice.
Yes. He was not gonna bring me, guys. He didn't even go to turning lane. He went into the middle lane and drove past it.
Bring you.
Got my Starbucks.
And then people,
Oh, so delish. Do you want to taste them?
of course, babe.
All right, one sip. You drinking off my drink. You like you just fell in love. Back away. Back away. No. Now he want the juice. No. You can have what's left. It's done. Oh, you want me to order for you? So you're gonna say strawberry acai, medium.
I want a big one. Large strawberry acai
Light ice,
with light
or just regular?
lemonade,
lemonade.
For ya?
no strawberries.
No strawberry.
You want the strawberry pieces in there?
Can I get some strawberry stuff in there?
You ordered your first Starbucks drink.
You don't need to tell nobody about this. This is
Except for the world.
I'm
bet this thing was like $7, wasn't it?
Somehow we ended up on top of the roof, and we're just chilling here until we decide to go back inside. Oh my god, my stomach hurts.
Tell you that I love you.
Today I'm going to show you all these packages that I got. So basically, a little background history. Let's rewind. I got into the Ulta Beauty Collective program back in January. The reason why I haven't really announced it on here because my primary platform is with Instagram when it comes to that program. But if you don't know what the Ulta Beauty Collective is, it basically is like, I don't know if I can say the other program. It is me comparing the programs. So I'm gonna say something that rhymes with it. So
it's like the Sephora Squad.
have you guys heard of that before?
Yeah.
It's kind of like that. And so basically it opened up this whole entire door to me getting a whole bunch of PR packages, the major releases that come to Ulta, to my house. Has a lot of things in it, a lot of packages in it. And so I'm gonna go through it today with you guys. Let me show you half of these. So it's all of these things right here, and then there's some here, and then there's some over here, and then there's also a lot of things over here, as you can see. Now it looks a hot mess, guys, but I'm being as honest as possible with you guys. Now a lot of the PR packages I already kind of like unpacked, so those I won't really go into, but the ones that are not unpacked I'll definitely go ahead and show you guys. I also got this cute little mini fridge from this brand. All right, so the first package I'm gonna start off with is gonna actually be Skims. So we have Who Doesn't Love Skims. Now this is actually like a sponsorship kind of thing, but kind of still is kind of PR at the same time because it's not a paid sponsorship. Yeah, so we have the shapewear right here. This is the bra. I'm not gonna open it yet. I'm gonna save it for TikTok, but I figured I just started with that because it's the first thing that I could actually grab. The seamless solution wear. So this is basically like the high panty. So super excited to try that because I heard it snatches you in. Now I'm a little scared because I got my actual size, and I see when girls are pulling it out of their TikTok box, it was like this little. So pray for me, y'all. Then we have the full body shapewear. All right, so next we have Nude Sticks. Is all these things. I'm gonna go through them. I used Nude Sticks blush before and I actually really loved it. So I love this, the message in the box. It basically says like, I think makeup should be fast and above all fun. Nude Sticks is about effortless beauty. It's no makeup. So basically with Nude Sticks, it's supposed to give it like that whole no makeup look, and so everything looks natural. Their packaging is biodegradable, and like the whole entire like look of the brand is supposed to be like that whole like no makeup look. They sent me 3 of these, so I'm wondering what is the difference, because why do I have 3 of these? I'm not sure why they sent me 3, but yeah, they sent me this. So this is like an all over face highlight. I have my mirror in front of me, so I'm just like trying to see where else do you put highlight besides your like your upper cheekbone area. Can you guys see this? It's very like glittery. And then in here we have Euphoric Nudes, which is basically inspired by Euphoria. It's really hard because if I swatch all of these, I can't do any giveaways. A Brighten face mask. After that we have Revolution hair care. I love like beautiful looking boxes, just nice and neat, and just love it. So this is what in here looks like. All these items. Oh, so they sent me a shampoo, conditioner, and they also sent me the Bond Restore treatment. So definitely some great hair care products, and then some styling cream. So I'll definitely go ahead and try to use that when I take out my braids. Okay, so next we have, can you guys see this? It's Redken. This is the Redken brand, and inside we actually have a lot of things, but it kind of got all messed up, I guess, in delivery. This, and then we have the acidic bonding shampoo and conditioner, and then we have the leave-in treatment, and then we have the intensive treatment. Oh my god, and they sent me like a little shower cap. Wow. Obviously when I take my braids out, or I'm gonna have my braids down, I could do one of these. Okay, cool. cool. Okay. Okay, Redken. Now, I love me some MAC Cosmetics. Always will be my favorite. Always has been my like, MAC is like everyone's like go-to or everyone's first start into makeup in my opinion. And so they sent me product. Okay, this is what's inside the box. I kind of already like disfigured it because I wanted to see. I was too excited and I was like, I have to look. So this is a part of their Stranger Things collection, which is kind of weird because, not weird, but just interesting to have a Stranger Things collection with MAC. Like very, very, very interesting. Inside the package came this cute little fanny pack and all the makeup is actually inside. So I'm gonna go ahead and just open some of these so you can see. Now, I'm a fan of brushes. You know what I really want to know? Because I know some brands are very iffy about like you doing giveaways. I would love to do giveaways for you guys because all the stuff that I have in here, it's not humanly possible for me to use every single thing. So I would rather like just like do giveaways and give back to my audience. So I'm going to actually try to reach out to some of the brands. Because some of them I don't have their contact for. They just send you stuff because they were given your email. So I want to see, or maybe I'll talk to like other creators and see like how they've done it in the past, because yeah. But yeah, so they gave me 2 brushes. Now I am a sucker for brushes, so I probably will never give brushes away, and brushes cost so much. So 2 brushes. They gave us 2 eyeshadow palettes. This is one palette. It comes with like all of these colors, and I'm not gonna lie, these are not really my style, but I believe this palette was more of my style when I opened it. So it looks like this. I could definitely rock the black or even a blue or even like this color and like create a look out of it, but it's very quirky. They gave us this pink blush, which is called Friends Don't Lie. All of these lip glosses. Y'all know MAC has like the best lip gloss formula, so this, I was super excited, except these colors are so interesting. All right, next I want to talk about Ariana Grande's new line. This is pronounced REM Beauty, and so there's a lot of makeup in here that they sent me. Let me open it. You got Ariana's beautiful face right here, then a bunch of instructions on how to use the palette or how to use her items and her products, so that's even better. Okay, so what's in the box? We have a highlighter, another highlighter, Go-Go Boots eyeshadow palette, Baby Doll eyeshadow palette, a lipstick. This is the lipstick called In Shade Drive-In Movie. We have the metallic gel eyeshadow. This is how it looks when you open it. This is how it looks on the skin. So very, very, very pigmented, as you can see. We love that. We have the cooling blurring under eye cream. I have so much makeup on my face right now, like, oh, it is very cooling, and I'm ordering Instacart at the same time. Okay, so it has like a very cooling sensation, which I'm all here for. Because we have the volumizing mascara. I mean, I have lashes on, so I'm gonna try it on my bottom lid. And then last but not least, Ariana Grande loves to wear clear lip gloss, or like something that's shiny and makes her lips look poppin'. So I'm not gonna put it on because I already have on the other brand I actually really like, but I'm actually gonna put it on top of it still. It doesn't hurt to layer.
Feels way better than the beauty supply store.
And then we have a eyeliner. After that we have, I'm gonna hide my address, but we got Alicia Keys. It looks, first of all, you have her beautiful picture, which is the most highest quality picture possible. Then this little thing right here, this box, actually spins. How cool is that? She gives you some information on the back about the product and stuff. And this to me is a whole experience. Like, it's all spinny and stuff. Like, who doesn't want a spinny package? Come on. Like, and then like I feel like she tells you information on the side about it. Illuminating serum. It smells pretty good. All right, there's no makeup on my forehead, so we're gonna put some here and see how it illuminates. And I think I'm pretty sure she created this product because Alicia doesn't wear makeup like that anymore, and I'm sure she loves herself and her natural skin, but I guess like this illuminating thing like actually adds some shine to your skin and some more life and glow to your skin. Okay, so after this we have this brand. This brand is called Florence, and I've definitely seen them at Ulta, and I'm always like, oh my god, their packaging is so pretty. So it's this one. You get like eye patches. eye patches to put underneath your eyes. All right, I don't know where to wipe this at, so we're gonna put it on my arm. So yeah, that's everything that they've given me. Kind of cool. I've never heard of Florence outside of me being in Ulta. So that's kind of like cool. But yeah, guys, that's all I'm gonna do for today. The next part of this video is gonna be on a whole nother day because, believe it or not, going through all of that was really exhausting and I'm pooped. So I'll go through the rest tomorrow, another day, so I'll have a whole new look.